Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change Twitter username. So if you want to change your Twitter username, keep watching the video till the end. First of all, you have to go to your Twitter profile. Then you have to click on the profile icon at the top left corner. From here you will see the profile option. So you have to click on your profile. Then from here you have to click on edit profile. Then you will see this is the name option. So from here if you change it, suppose tutorial palace e and e, okay, suppose you have to change the name. In this way you can, after changing name, you just click on the save, then this name will update. So if you want to change your username, in that case you have to click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then you have to click on setting and privacy. From here you will see the account option. So you have to click on account. Then you will get the username option. So you have to click on this arrow. Then this username change option will come. From here if you keep the your username tutorial palace, okay, then from here I'm selecting this as my username. After that I have to click on save, then it will save as my username. That's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.